Question 4. Siti had a rectangular piece of paper, 35 cm by 24.6. She cut out as many squares as possible from the paper. The side of each square was 5 cm. Now for the pupils who did 35 times 24.6, you get the answer and you do 5 times 5 equals to 25 and you use this answer to divide. It will be considered wrong because the method for this, we have done this in class before, it is not like this. You will need to consider whether it can be cut out into 5 by 5. So for those who did this first step and you got, give me a while, let me calculate, and you got 861, this will be the wrong method. So there's 0 mark. The moment you do this is already 0 mark. What area of the paper was left? So what you need to do is maybe you draw it out as a visual. So usually you draw it out to represent what, to make sense of the question. So each side of the square was 5.5. This, maybe if I take this will be, I'll draw this to be longer. This will be 35 cm by 24.6 cm. So let's see if I want to, how many sets of 5 can I have? So you know that 35 can be divided by 5. Your side working will be this. Divided by 5, you get 7. So I can cut 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So maybe I want to erase this. Okay. So I can cut this. So let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I draw this, oops. Alright, so this one will be 24.5. So I know that when I cut it, there is no extra space left. If I cut it like this will be in strips of 5. But I've not settled the other part yet. I have this height, which is this breadth, whereby is 24.6. So how many sets of 5 can I have? So I know that my maximum is 4 sets of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'll have a remainder of 4.6. This 4.6 is the cm that is wasted. So let me cut into 5. Let me cut into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this part here is actually wasted. This will be the 4.6 cm that is not being used. Okay, so if you want the diagram to be drawn carefully, you will have to do it more accurately. So I can just make it even shorter. So that for you to see that, you know, it cannot be cut. Okay, so the first question, right, what area of the paper was left? So you have 35 times this breadth that is wasted. So your first step for part A, you would have 35 times 4.6. 35 times 4.6, you will be getting 161. So the unit is already given for this. How many squares did Siti cut? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4. So for part B is 7 times 4 equals to 28. So part B, the answer is 28.